You are a Web2 developer. You know the stack: Node.js, PostgreSQL, Redis, Stripe, AWS. Each piece has complexity, cost, and points of failure. But here's the thing: you are not building your core product. You are building infrastructure, authentication, payment processing, database replication. None of this is your actual business logic. What if I told you you could delete 90% of this stack? What's Web3 paradigm shift? SolSub isn't a product, it's a pattern, a reference implementation showing you exactly how to translate a Web2 use case into Web3 architecture. The mental shift is this: in Web2 you build infrastructure, in Web3 you write logic. The blockchain handles authentication, data storage, payments, and uptime. One layer, one source of truth, no middleware. Now, I'm not here to sell you hype. Web3 has real trade-offs. Let's be honest about them. You lose SQL flexibility, but you gain all of fun lookups. You lose automatic scheduling, but you gain permissionless execution. You lose the familiar credit card UX, but you gain non-custodial payments. The biggest mental shift: Solana programs are passive. We don't know then time passes. You need external automation, what we call the crank. But here's the beauty: anyone can run it. No single point of failure. Here's what Solana gives you for free: authentication through wallet signatures, a globally replicated database, payment rails with sub-cent fees, 24/7 uptime, and an immutable audit log. Infrastructure that could cost hundreds of thousands of dollars in Web2, it's built into the network. You just write your business logic. And composability: any other application can read your subscription state without an APK, without a partnership, without asking permission. SolSub is your starting point. Clone it, study the pattern, see how subscription, a classic Web2 use case, becomes pure on-chain logic. Once you understand this pattern, you will see it everywhere: escrow, licensing, access control, reputation systems. Any logic that requires trust can be encoded. This is the path from Web2 to Web3. Not learning new frameworks, learning a new mental model. SolSub is your map. The code is open source, the architecture is documented, the trade-offs are explained. This isn't a black box, it's a blueprint. If you're a Web2 developer wondering where to start with Web3, start here. Study the pattern, build the future.